So I've seen a lot of influencer marketing campaigns fail. And the reason they fail is there's many reasons, but a lot of times it is that the client expectations are not addressed. Influencer marketing has a big aura about how amazing it is, and influencers are going to post and they have millions of followers, so you're going to get tens of thousands if not hundreds of thousands of followers, and people are going to click on the link and go and buy your thing because that's what influencers do. That's not what influencers do. Some of them do, and they're very, very expensive. You go the Lake Jake Paul, Logan Paul route, yeah, you're looking at spending six figures, but they drive traffic. But at the same time, they're just not. When you pay for a post, you're not going to get as much value as if you utilize different aspects of that post. Getting the usage rights to the content, running Facebook ads with the usage right, getting access to the influencers' accounts on the back end through the business managers, running ads from their channels. That benefits both you and the influencer. And we're going to talk about the hidden benefits of influencer marketing. I'm going to try and keep this video short and sweet. Why hidden benefits? Well, there are a lot of perceived benefits to influencer marketing, and I've seen so many campaigns fail. I just know what not to do and how to utilize the most out of an influencer campaign. So when a brand tends to hire influencers or run their own campaign, you're seeing paid posts and things like that. It's different types of collaborations, unboxing experiences, and those are all very good, important things. But the reason brands hire influencers is really they don't know it. They think it's the following, but it's the content. They created content consistently that was so good that people gravitated towards them and chose to follow them and chose to listen to them. So that's the true value of the influencer, is in getting the content. Somebody could have 9 million followers, and yeah, they'll drive traffic and they'll do a bunch of, probably get some sales and things if it's the right influencer with the right audience for the right brand. But I've seen people with 9 million followers get 32 link clicks on a post. So it doesn't always work. But there are some hidden benefits. Let's get into it. All right, so for the first set of benefits, it's really the UGC, or the influencer generated content in this case. But these are some UGC stats. Like I said, influencers are masters at creating content. So you see very high trust aligned with influencers. You see higher conversion rates, higher click-through rates, all of these kind of things. So the magic, again, is in the content. And what you want to do with influencer marketing is you pay these influencers to post, but you negotiate the usage rights to this content. Whether it's limited access, if they're really big, they're going to be savvy. So you might have limited access, like 60-day access to use these. But if they're smaller influencers, micros, and things like that, a lot of times you could just negotiate in the contract and use that content for your Facebook ads, your TikTok ads, any kind of media buying stuff. So you see overall higher engagement, higher conversion rates on when combined with Facebook ads and things of that nature, lower cost per clicks and all that. So the value, again, is in the content. Another one is custom audiences. So let's say you're running a campaign primarily using Instagram influencers. Well, you need to send them somewhere. It's a good idea to send them to your account with the link in your bio. They're not all going to follow. In fact, you're going to be disappointed at how few actually do follow you. Every profile hit, every visitor, everybody that goes to your profile and likes or views a story or something like that, or views a video, those are all metrics that you could create custom audiences through the Facebook ads platform. And you want to basically have a savvy media buyer or Facebook ads buyer to have these set up because they're dynamic. So as you're running a campaign, you can have people being retargeted with very actual content. And the third hidden benefit is just finding that one. So let's say you are working with celebrities and big influencers and everything like that. Well, a lot of people follow them. And I've seen on a lot of campaigns, we're getting sales, we're getting some social growth and all these things, but it doesn't always measure direct ROI. But a lot of times it'll leverage opportunities where they could get in meetings with big box retailers and other things like that. They could get the attention of other celebrities who might really like the product and want to work with it, or VCs, angel investors. So sometimes it's only finding that one. We actually did a personal brand campaign for someone, and he ended up getting a he didn't socialize that much outside, and he ended up finding someone to who date him, and now they're engaged. So it you never know, and that wasn't really the success metric we were aiming for in that case, but that ended up being a major success metric for him. So those are the three main ones. There's so many other ones. Obviously, you could do whitelisting with influencers where you're running ads from their platform. And again, this goes back to the Facebook ad thing. But really, you want to look at the different nuances and have different expectations of influence marketing.